Same blood, same brand, but let's see who knows whom better. If Arpita won 1 crore rupees tomorrow, what do you think she would do first?
So I think अगर if she has 1 crore tomorrow, तो परसों हम एक चले जाएंगे स्टोर डील करने. We will open a new store, जिसका हम बहुत we are manifesting it. And the second half और जो 50 lakhs बचे, I think ये अपने कॉर्पस में डाल देगी.
मैं शायद स्टोर खोलना चाहूंगी.
ये पूरा 1 crore स्टोर में लगाएगी.
If Sulakshna could live anywhere in the world for 1 year, where do you think she would like to live?
So knowing Sulakshna, I don't think she would like to go anywhere, leaving the family or anybody. So she would like to stay at her home. The destination that she loves to go to is London. So I am not sure अगर वहाँ रह पाएगी या नहीं, मुझे नहीं पता. पर घर रहना पसंद करेगी. This is what I think.
अगर मेरे पास ऐसा घर लंदन में हो तो I can stay वहाँ पे 1 साल.
If Arpita could have dinner with anyone in the world, who do you think she would choose?
Dinner. तो तुमने इसका सही जवाब दे दिया.
Who do you choose to have dinner with?
हाँ.
मतलब कोई celebrity?
Anyone.
Could not be anyone. Could be whatever. that-
तो I think पता है I think अकेले ही करेगी.
She's my sister.
गोवा में
Yes.
गोवा जाएगी अकेले and she'll have dinner on her own.
Yes.
Morning coffee से लेके dinner तक she'll chill and she'll have it on her own.
If Sulakshna could learn one new skill, what do you think she would choose?
Right now or otherwise?
Anytime.
Right now, I think she would like to learn more about marketing, how to market the brand well. That is the one skill she'd like to learn.
Yes. Digital marketing.
If Arpita had to give up either shopping or traveling, which one do you think she would choose?
Shopping.
Very easy
She
answer.
doesn't care. Yeah. We can travel the world. I mean, she can travel the world in her pajamas and t-shirt.
I love adventures and sports, so anything, nothing matters to me more than travel.
If Sulakshna could change one thing about her life, what do you think she would choose to change?
She would like to have clarity about what she truly wants in life, and if somebody could give her that clarity, that is the one thing I think she wants from her life right now.
I'll ask you guys few tricky questions. Let's see who answers them well. Which of your collections do you think was the best collection you have ever created?
So yeah, Lalish could be the collection. Our last Karwa and Diwali collection, Lalish. That was our best commercial collection. Design wise, and it catered to the masses and it gave us huge revenue.
Which piece from your brand would you personally never wear?
I think I also love all the pieces, but yeah, there was a time when we were doing gowns, Indian gowns. So usme ek do I will ask we will try to attach a picture. That gown I cannot.
Which product do you think is underrated but deserves so much attention?
I think the maroon gown, the hand painted maroon gown, I think it deserves much more attention.
Sulakshna made that gown for a Mata talk that I was hosting.
Yes.
And that is such a beautiful piece. When I wore that piece, everybody was amazed by the design and the hand painting on the khera. But if you see commercially, it did not play out that well.
Which design trend do you think you will never follow?
I personally don't like the dhoti trend, the dhotis that are very sharp from the bottom. The loose ones I'm still okay with. The ones which have a cut, I will try to attach the image. I don't like that. Dhoti with a short kurta, I'm not a fan of it.
But other that we have not designed also, na? बहुत पहले एक बार ही करा था, but now not now.
Yeah,
So
not a fan of that.
What is one thing you think Sulakshna is better at than you?
So Sulakshna manages the production really well, and she manages the staff really well. With good cop, bad cop होता है ना, so she plays the bad cop, which is also good for the team. And Abhi she takes care of the whole company really well. She's the best leader we can ask for.
If you could delete one collection from a brand from the history, which one would it be?
So we launched Braj Nari, I think in 2023. We had done a lot of court sets in that and some gowns as well. So that is the collection I think I did not like at all.
Which is one thing that Salakshana does in the business that annoys you, and vice versa?
She panics a lot. We have to have a call every week to discuss business, but instead of taking that call whenever there's an emergency or an SOS situation, she would call me at 11 p.m. or 12 p.m. Otherwise, she's not available for that 1 hour business call. And when there is some emergency, she will create a fuss about it.
क्या?
ये होता?
क्या?
होता है ये? होता है, एकदम से कॉल आ जाएगी, ये हो गया, इसने मेरे साथ ये कर दिया, वो हो गया, अब क्या करना है बता दो। मेरे लिए तो ये, अब तुम्हारी बारी।
तो कुछ भी नहीं होता।
ऐसा ही होता है।
एक बार हुआ लास्ट टाइम बस। हाँ
बहुत होता है ऐसा।
यही कि शी इसको she treats
क्या?
इसको कुछ एस्थेटिक ही नहीं पड़ी है स्टोर पे। स्टोर पे जैसा भी एस्थेटिक है वो सही है। कल मैं गई हूँ तो एक स्टैंड पड़ा हुआ है, वो रस्सियों से बंधा हुआ है। वो भी मैंने बोला अर्पिता मैम ने देखा ये? हाँ मैम ने हमें हंसते हुए बोला है कि जुगाड़ करा हुआ है। मैं कहा
तो इन्होंने मुझे बोला कि तूने करा है वो।
मैंने करा है। मेरे को तो पता नहीं, मैंने जाके इतना गुस्सा करा है कि
मैंने जाके देखा था ये।
मैंने बोला कि अर्पिता मैम ने देखा है ये? हाँ मैम ने तो कुछ, मैम ने बोला कि जुगाड़ करा है, तो मैम हंसने लगी। हाँ जुगाड़ करा है। इसको सिर्फ सेल से मतलब है या अपने कंटेंट से मतलब है, स्टोर की एस्थेटिक्स से मतलब नहीं है।
पर ऐसे I can't go into nitty-gritties of it, but yes.
What is one thing that you think Arpita is better than you at?
Oh, content creation, sales, communication.
Thank you. Also, guys, if you're liking our content on YouTube, don't forget to like our channel, subscribe to our channel, and comment and tell us आपको क्या पसंद आ रहा है, क्या नहीं पसंद आ रहा है, so that we can work on making the best content for all of you. Thank you for giving us so much love, and we are soon reaching 500 subscribers. So yeah, share this video with as many people as you can. Bye.